Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Finance Freedom. Today we're diving deep into a burning question that's been on everyone's mind. Do YouTube Shorts make money? Stay tuned because we've got some fascinating insights coming your way. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You won't want to miss our weekly updates on all things YouTube and content creation. First things first, what exactly are YouTube Shorts? Well, they are super short video clips up to 60 seconds in length. You've probably seen them pop up on your YouTube feed in the form of vertical videos. Now let's talk money. Are YouTube Shorts a gold mine? Well, it's not as straightforward as you might think. YouTube Shorts are not monetized through traditional ad revenue like regular videos. Instead, YouTube has introduced the YouTube Shorts Fund, which distributes money to creators based on the performance of their shorts. The better your shorts do in terms of views, engagement, and watch time, the more you can earn. So, how can you maximize your earnings with YouTube Shorts? Here are some tips for success. Tip #1, keep it snappy. The shorter the better. Make sure your shorts are engaging from the first second. Tip #2, trending topics. Stay updated with the latest trends and incorporate them into your shorts. Trending topics get more views. Tip #3, optimize for mobile. Most viewers watch shorts on their smartphones, so ensure your content is mobile friendly. Now let's hear from some creators who've struck gold with YouTube Shorts. Creator 1. I couldn't believe it when my short went viral. Thanks to the YouTube Shorts Fund, I made some serious money. Creator 2. Shorts helped me grow my channel and gain more subscribers. It's been a game changer for me. In conclusion, YouTube Shorts can indeed make you money, but it's not an overnight success. You'll need to create engaging, trendy content and leverage the YouTube Shorts Fund to monetize your creations. If you're ready to dive into the world of YouTube Shorts, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your fellow creators. Let's help each other succeed. That's all for today, guys. If you have any questions or want more insights into YouTube and content creation, let us know in the comments below. Finance Freedom. Until next time, keep creating and remember, YouTube Shorts can make you money. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.